Hey everybody, Mayor Jane here. We just had an outstanding press conference announcing our housing information line with Councilwoman Lynn Hertak and our amazing housing guru, Kayon Henderson. We have started a call center that will be open Monday through Friday from 11 a.m. to 7 with Spanish and English speakers, where anyone with a housing need will be able to call in and we will assist in navigating you whatever path you need to go down, whether it's talking about evictions, rental assistance, housing repairs, whatever it is, you can call in to this individual group and they will be able to navigate you through this very, very difficult process that we are encountering in our housing crisis. We're just trying to make it a little bit simpler for our citizens. Again, Monday through Friday, 11 to 7, and the number, very easy to remember, 813-307-5555. 307-5555. We're going to do all we can to ensure that everybody gets to live in a very safe and comfortable home.